So today we are testing Cody's new FTX Outlaw, and I'm going to say I didn't realise how big this was.
It's like my fault.
And we're letting Cody use it. So we're going to see how long this one lasts. Hopefully it's going to last longer than the Carnage, isn't it, Cody?
Yes.
So you're going to be really careful with it at the start. And then we can do some jumps.
No!
No jumps?
No jumps, go break it.
No, so you're going to drive it nice and sensibly?
Okay.
So we take it to the park today, and then tomorrow we're going to take it to the forest, okay?
Yay!
So
After the park?
Yeah, off the park. So, yeah. Do one more thing.
Losing control, I gotta know who's in control of me. Losing control.
We've gone in full send. Whoa. Good? Get used to it? Just be careful when you accelerate. So in this bit of the video, we decided to race the FTX Outlaw versus the Carnage, and as Cody put the accelerator down, it did strip the spur gear, but it was really nice, easy fix, and then we got back on it, and then we went to the forest. Sorry, don't do that. It'll spin the gear. Here you go. You take it. So Cody, what one are you driving today?
The Outlaw.
The Outlaw, because we fixed it, didn't we? Because the spur gear was broken, wasn't it? Yeah. Now it's all working. Right, you want to go take it for a rip?
Let's take it for a rip.
Right, don't take it fast yet. Go up, gently. Right, now bring it back. Come on. Quick, innit? Nice and slowly. So me and Cody are at the forest. We've been testing out the Outlaw. It's his favourite one, isn't it? Yeah. Out of the whole collection we've got now. We did buy it used. It did strip a spur gear, but I thought it would. They normally do. It was only £3 part. Fixed it, but then I forgot to tighten up one of the nuts, didn't I, Cody? Yep. And it's now hitting the motor as it's going round, so it's not spinning the front wheels. So it's a simple fix, just screw it up and that's it. But we are going to do a full review on it soon, aren't we, Cody? You're going to end up driving it really fast and then over jumps and stuff like that. And donuts and everything in you, and see how good it is. So we'll see that.
2 wheels.
2 wheels, yeah. You're going to see it soon, aren't you? So see it soon.
See you soon.
Nice and gently. Your challenge, drive down and then you've got to drive back up, okay? Right, ready? No, it won't break. Go on, go. Nice and slowly down. That's it. Now you've got to go back up, nice and slowly. You got this. You go a bit faster this time?
No.
You were good. You want to do it really fast and see if you get air. You want to see if you can fly, make it fly. Whoa! Right, now you got to drive it back up and you got to drive it a bit faster up, okay? But just be careful because it might fly somewhere. Go on. That was good. Cody's going to go nice and slowly over these bumps, hopefully. Good boy. Well done. Do you want to go back again? Woohoo! Well, careful. Nice and slowly over the bumps. Takes the bumps really well, doesn't it? Nice and slowly over the bumps. Oh, look at that. Do it back again. Go Ben. I want to see that again. That angle. Start off with, okay? Right, hold on one sec. Right, just to let you know, this bump is massive. Like, it is massive. So we'll see if Cody can do it. Oh, with ease! Can you do it again? No? Good driving! Stone's foot there. Woohoo! Do it again this way. Go on. Go. Whoa! Good jump. Well done. Good jump. You go. Go on. This way. Cody has taken the suspension off the actual pivot, but I think we might be able to push back on, mightn't we, Cody?
It still works.
Yeah, so he's taken the suspension off, but we'll see if we can put it back on, can't we, Cody?
Always.
So Cody's jammed the wheel. I don't actually see anything jammed in it, but it won't spin. Spin the other one. See, that one spins, and that one doesn't. I don't know what he's jammed in there, but we have to take it off and have a look, won't we, Cody?
I think it's a little stick got in there.
Yeah. Should we have a look when we get home? Should we take it apart?
Let's get you up a new one again.
Alright, let's go and get a new one. So we put the suspension back on, and then we took the stone out of the hub, and then we took it to the skateboard ramps, and you're going to see now. Go. Nice and slowly. I bet it grips a bit better, doesn't it? Yeah. we did test out the FTX Outlaw, and we really think it's brilliant. Off the camera, we did break a CVD joint on it, the drive shaft to the rear wheels, but we have replaced it with a nice new metal one. But if you want to see more of these videos, and also if you want to see us actually do skateboard ramps where the cars fly up in the air, just let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and there's loads of new competitions always coming out. So thanks for watching, see you soon.